Good afternoon. I am Karen Cassidy, Assistant Commissioner and Treasurer of the Department of Finance for the City of New York. I represent the New York City Commissioner of Finance on the Banking Commission. I would like to start by introducing the other members of the Banking Commission: Mayor de Blasio as representative, Chief Administrative Officer Laura Anglin, and Comptroller Stringer's representative, Assistant Comptroller for Economic Development, Brian Cook. For the purpose of today's meeting, dated May 11, 2017, is for the Banking Commission to approve its fiscal year 2018 interest rate recommendations for the early and late payments of property taxes. This meeting will be conducted pursuant to the rules of the Open Meetings Law. This means that members of the public may have the right to attend, listen, and observe these proceedings, but they are not authorized to speak during the meeting. With that in mind, we would like to welcome the members of the public who have joined us today and thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you.
I will now call the roll. Roll call. Laura Anglin.
Present.
Brian Cook.
Present.
Karen Cassidy. Present. We have a quorum and we will now conduct the business of the meeting. Acceptance of the September 15, 2016 Banking Commission meeting minutes. The September 15, 2016 Banking Commission meeting minutes have been circulated and there were no previous comments. Are there any comments now? May I please have a motion to approve the minutes of the September 15, 2016 Banking Commission meeting?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carried. Fiscal year 18 interest rate recommendations. Our next agenda item is the annual recommendation of interest rates for early and late payments of real estate taxes in fiscal year 2018. As required by the New York City Charter and the Administrative Code, each year the Banking Commission is responsible for recommending these interest rates to the City Council no later than May 13. The Banking Commission recommends that the discount rate for early payment of real estate taxes remain at 0.5%, which is unchanged from fiscal year 2017. There were a number of factors considered in making this recommendation, including the city's current liquidity, prevailing interest rates, discount rates offered by several other municipalities, and the estimated administrative savings to the city from processing fewer property tax payments. In addition, the city's current fiscal year 2017 penalty rates for the late payment of property taxes are 6% for properties with assessed values no more than $250,000 and 18% for properties with assessed values above $250,000. The Banking Commission recommends 2018 penalty rates to remain the same as follows. 1. 6% for the late payment of taxes for properties with assessed values no more than $250,000. 2. 18% for the late payment of taxes for properties with assessed values greater than $250,000. There are many number of factors considered in making these recommendations, including penalty rates charged by other comparable tax collectors across the country, and interest rates charged for secured consumer loans, the interest rates charged by major credit card issuers, and the rate charged for civil judgments by the State of New York. Are there any questions regarding these interest rate recommendations?
No.
If there is no further discussion, then I will read the 3 interest rate resolutions, and we will vote after each one that I have completed. Resolution number 1. Fiscal year 2018 early property tax payment interest rate recommendation. Whereas pursuant to section 1519A of the City Charter, the Banking Commission is required to recommend to the City Council no later than the 13th of May the proposed discount rate for the early payment of real estate taxes. Now, therefore be it resolved, the Banking Commission recommends to the City Council that the discount rate for the early payment of real estate taxes shall be 0.5% per annum for fiscal year 18. And be it further resolved that said discount rate is to be offered only for that portion of the real estate tax that is paid before the due date. May I please have a motion to approve this resolution?
So moved.
Can I have a second, please?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carried. Resolution number 2, fiscal year 2018 late payment tax interest rate recommendations for properties assessed no more than $250,000. Whereas pursuant to the New York City Administrative Code 11-224.1, the Banking Commission is required to recommend to the City Council no later than the 13th of May the proposed interest rate to be charged for non-payment of taxes for properties with an assessed value of not more than $250,000 or not more than $250,000 per residential unit for co-ops. And whereas the proposed interest rate shall be at least equal to the prevailing interest rate charged for commercial loans extended to prime borrowers by commercial banks operating in the city, the prime rate. And whereas the Banking Commission notes that as of May 11, 2017, said prime rate stands at 4%, as published by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. And whereas it is the city's best interest to encourage the prompt payment of real estate taxes by all taxpayers, and now therefore be it resolved, the Banking Commission recommends to the City Council that the interest rate to be charged for non-payment of taxes for all properties with an assessed value of not more than $250,000 or not more than $250,000 for a residential unit for co-ops be set at 6% per annum for 2018. May I please have a motion to approve this resolution?
So moved.
Can someone second, please?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carried. Resolution number 3, fiscal year 2018 late payment tax penalty interest rate recommendation for properties assessed greater than $250,000. Whereas pursuant to the New York City Administrative Code 11-224.1, the Banking Commission is required to recommend to the City Council no later than the 13th of May the proposed interest rate to be charged for non-payment of taxes for properties with an assessed value of more than $250,000 or more than $250,000 per residential unit for co-ops, or where respective of the assessed value, the parcel consists of vacant or unimproved land. Whereas said provisions of the Administrative Code require the Banking Commission to propose a rate of at least 6 percentage points per annum greater than the prevailing interest rate for commercial loans extended to prime borrowers by commercial banks operating in the city, the prime rate. And whereas the Banking Commission notes, for the record, that as of May 11, 2017, said prime rate stands at 4%, as published by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. And whereas it is the city's best interest to encourage the prompt payment of real estate taxes by all taxpayers, now therefore be it resolved, the Banking Commission recommends to the City Council that the interest rate to be charged for non-payment of real estate taxes where the assessed value of a property is over $250,000 or over $250,000 per residential unit for co-ops, or where, irrespective of the assessed value, the parcel consists of vacant or unimproved land, remains at 18% per annum for fiscal year 2018. May I please have a motion to approve this resolution?
So moved.
Can someone please second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Motion carried. Late water and sewer rent payment interest charge change. Water and sewer. This year, the Banking Commission has learned that the New York City Law Department has determined that New York City State Law, Public Authorities Law 1045-J5 preempts the Administrative Code provisions, sections 11-312C and 11313E, that require the Banking Commission to transmit recommendations to the City Council of proposed interest rates to be charged for non-payment of water and sewer rents. Section 1045J5 states that, and I quote, "Water and sewer, fees, rates, rents, or other charges, if not paid when due, shall bear interest at the same rate as would unpaid real property taxes to the city." Consequently, it is the view of the Law Department that the Banking Commission should not transmit recommendations to the City Council regarding proposed interest rates to be charged for non-payment of water and sewer rents. 5, other business items. Does anyone have any additional items to discuss before we conclude the meeting?
No.
Having completed the business of this meeting, can someone please make a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
Can someone please second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. The Banking Commission meeting is adjourned. Thank you.